This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cleaning the glass thoroughly so the film adheres without trapped grit. Once the glass is spotless, measure and cut the film with 1/8 extra to allow alignment. Next, spray the slip solution across the glass surface and the adhesive side of the film so you can slide the film into position. This reduces bubbles and lets you find perfect placement. Make sure to align the top edge first, then let the film hang while you prepare to squeegee. You peel the backing gradually while keeping both surfaces wet. This prevents static pickup and makes sliding easier. Once the film is roughly aligned, start squeegeeing from the center toward the edges using firm, overlapping strokes at about a 45 degrees angle. This pushes out slip solution and air. If stubborn bubbles remain, lift the nearest edge and reapply solution, then re-squeegee. When edges are flush, trim the excess with a fresh razor, and make sure to let the film. You finish by pressing down all edges and trimming any stray film so seals are complete and neat. If you spot tiny bubbles after curing, use a fine pinprick and squeegee the fluid out. For large, persistent bubbles, lift that corner, roulette, and reapply while smoothing. Also, make sure the pane stayed in recommended 50 to 75 degrees F range during installation. Extreme heat or sun can prevent proper adhesion. Finally, monitor for 48 hours and press any edge lift back into place to secure the film.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.